Between 1880 and 1930, the Ahmadiyya pioneered Islamic missionary work in Europe and America. In America, and I want to emphasize this because I know the Ahmadiyya get a bad rep among Muslims today, all Islamic and proto-Islamic development before 1930 was linked to the Ahmadiyya movement. And this is true for the first half of the 20th century, even though you have Muslims who were there and who would filter in, but any institutional or organized effort to convert Americans and to bring Islam to Americans is again coming from this group. And this also is true of Muhammad Alexander Webb, who is known as the first white American convert, or one of the first white American converts to Islam. He spent about 3 to 4 years writing back and forth to Ghulam Ahmad before he even converted to Islam. So I don't think we can overemphasize the role that the Ahmadiyya played in this enough. There's actually no evidence outside of what has been written by members of the community itself to support that 1913 date. The earliest date that we have documented for Noble Drew Ali's organization is, I believe, 1925 or 1926, when the organization was actually formally incorporated in Chicago. And I don't need to point out again that 1926, of course, is after the Ahmadiyya have actually arrived and been attempting to proselytize both on the East Coast as well as the Midwest area and New England also. Thank you.